The traditional marketing funnel is dying. If you're still obsessing over getting your travel brand to rank #1 on Google using old school SEO, you're going to be completely invisible in the future. Travelers aren't just searching anymore, they're asking AI to plan, curate, and even book their entire itineraries. Some data is suggesting that more than 30% of online bookings by 2030 will be done by AI autonomously. Not suggested, actually executed by the AI. Hi, I'm Matt, the CEO of Travel Tractions, and today I'm going to be breaking down exactly how to transition from changing SEO to GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. I'm going to show you why your Google My Business profile is your new homepage and how to measure AI traffic, why brand mentions have officially replaced backlinks. So stick around because the rules of visibility have completely changed. A few years ago, someone would type in hotels in Dublin in Google or Booking.com and click through different blue links. Today, they open an AI tool and they say, I want to go somewhere quiet with nature, good wine, and a hot tub. The AI doesn't give them a list of links to browse, it gives them one direct, synthesized answer. Right now, there are three massive players dominating the AI search space: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. Because they all use slightly different language models and pull from different data partnership, it is incredibly difficult to optimize for just one. Instead of chasing individual algorithms, you need to structure your brand's digital footprint so all these algorithms come to the same conclusion, that your brand is the best answer. We do this through AEO, Answer Engine Optimization. So how do you make the AI choose you? This is how the AI is reading your website. Large language models do not read websites the way that Google's classic bots do. Most travel brands fall into the JavaScript trap, where LLMs crawlers generally struggle to render and process complex JavaScript. If your beautiful, expensive website relies heavily on JavaScript to load your room types, your itineraries, your FAQ, the AI but literally cannot see it. This makes you invisible to them. So then comes in chunking. When an AI reads your page, it breaks it into small little chunks to process them into vector databases. If you only mention your brand name at the top of the page, the AI might completely detach your brand from your amenities listed at the bottom of the page. Your brand must repeat your brand name naturally throughout the text. If you're a business owner and the thought of auditing your site for vector embedding, schema markup, and JavaScript rendering makes you want to pull your hair out, great, this is where we come in. You can just check out the description and we can book a call with Travel Tractions team and we can future-proof your website and your tech stack while you focus on your guests and what's important to you. The single most critical asset you own right now is actually your Google My Business profile. If you don't already have one set up, we've got a step-by-step guide and a really helpful video that you can find here that'll help travel brands treat their Google My Business not as an afterthought, but as an asset. In the AI discovery era, your Google My Business is effectively your local API. Here's a massive wake-up call. ChatGPT is now actively sourcing Google My Business Places API data to answer local and map-based prompts. When a traveler asks ChatGPT for the best boutique hotel nearby, it is not crawling your website. It is resolving to entities first using Google My Business and a trusted index to find these places. AI models are obsessed with consistency. They synthesize data across the entire web to decide what is true. If your website says your tour starts at 9 a.m., but your Google My Business profile says 9:30, the AI loses confidence and drops you from the recommendation entirely. You must have absolute consistency across your name, address, and phone, named NAP in SEO. You also need to actively feed your Google My Business fresh signals. Post recent photos to ensure your amenities match exactly your schema markup on your website. And generate consistent reviews from your guests. The AI scrapers reward fresh, consistent signals. And if you aren't providing them, you're leaking demand directly to the OTAs. Make sure your guests leave nice keywords in your reviews if you can. If you're getting value out of this so far, please take a second to like and subscribe to the video. It really keeps us bringing you the most cutting edge travel strategies and motivates us quite a lot. If you optimize correctly, you will get found, but the hard truth is that you have to accept because AI summarizes everything natively right there in the chat interface, your actual website traffic is going to drop. We are moving away from measuring the raw website traffic and moving more into visibility and direct inquiry measurement. You can no longer just rely on one dashboard to tell you the whole story. We need to get information from a couple now. To survive this, advanced tracking is a non-negotiable. You need to measure impressions and traffic from each specific platform. Start putting data into Google Data Studio reports so you can visually separate your traditional organic search from your AI-driven referrals. Also, start paying serious attention to Bing Webmaster tools. They've upped their game and give a lot more data than Google right now. Because of Bing's deep integration with Copilot, their tracking and reporting for AI-driven conversational search is incredibly detailed right now. So if you aren't tracking these specific AI platform impressions, you're flying kind of blind. Finally, let's talk about off-page strategy. For years, SEO agents told you to buy or build exact match backlinks with high DA and DR. In the AI era, backlinks are taking a backseat to brand mentions and entity validation. AI heavily weighs external mentions. AI doesn't just care that a website linked to you, it cares what that website said about you. Getting your brand naturally included in third-party best-of lists, local destination guides, and industry roundups dramatically increases the likelihood of AI recommending you. This is all about positive sentiment across multiple sources. AI synthesizes your reputation from TripAdvisor, Reddit, your local tourism board, and travel blogs. If the sentiment is overwhelmingly positive and consistent across all these platforms and sources, the AI tags your brand as the highest trusted entity with a high sentiment. You no longer just want a link. You want digital proof that you are the premier expert or the best experience in the specific destination. That consensus is what actually wins the AI recommendation. Generative Engine Optimization is not a fad. It is the new foundation of the internet. If you lock down your Google My Business profile, fix your technical traps, and start driving positive brand mentions across the web today, you will dominate your competitors. If you want Travel Traction's team to audit your site and build custom AI search strategy, click the link below and let's have a chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. It really motivates us to make more. And let us know your thoughts in the comments. Have you started your AI journey yet? What is the challenge that you're facing? We would love to help you. Anyway, that's me, Matt, signing off from Travel Tractions. Check out one of our other videos here. But I hope you have a great day. Cheers.